Hey guys, Eric, Muscars with Eric coming at you from the Mecum Auctions. And normally I do an episode of What's in Your Garage, but today the episode is What's at Your Auction. And today, I was just out here minding my own freaking business, come across this beautiful Camaro, and this guy is standing here looking cooler than shit. And you know what? Introduce yourself, man.
Hey, I'm Gary Heckler. I live in Carefree, Arizona, North Scottsdale. And
So talk to us about this car.
this is a 1969 Camaro.
Yeah.
It's an SS. I pretty much did everything. I decked it out, man. I've got an LS7 crate motor GM. They only made 1,000 of them. It's pretty sweet. It's 570 horsepower. And I've got, as you can see, I've kind of decked out everything.
Yeah.
From
Talk
power
to us.
steering,
I'm
power
gonna take
brakes.
pictures while you talk about it.
Yeah.
All right, so you got a cold air intake there.
Cold air intake. And as you can see, we've got air conditioning.
And how much horsepower is in this thing?
This is 570 horsepower.
Dang, dude.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet.
And it's a 69 Camaro.
Power brake, 69 Camaro. And I've got upgraded front suspension.
Let's
I've got
take a look at
all-wheel disc brakes. I've got, you can see the radiator when you get a chance. That's a pretty sweet radiator.
That's a forecourt.
Yeah,
Is it a Griffin?
I'm not sure the name. I can't remember.
Okay, that's
I
okay.
bought so many parts I can't keep track of them all. I said, give me what's the best out there.
You're right on,
I
man.
don't want it to get cold. I mean, I want it to get hot. So
Right,
I mean,
of course.
You know, careful about that stuff. So
Nice
yeah, I've got
opto
the
battery.
dual fans.
Oh, look at that, dude.
Yeah. So you're not gonna have any
Oh,
problem.
look at those pretty headers down there.
Yeah, it's got chrome.
What kind of headers you got there?
Yeah, sorry, I don't know the name
That's
of those.
okay, that's
I had
okay, no
somebody
worries.
help me tweak this engine with headers they recommended. So
Gotcha.
Yeah.
And you did a great job with the engine compartment. So clean,
well, you can see
nice,
everything's tucked
shiny.
in there.
Yeah.
All the
Looks really good.
The fender there.
Is this like a billet?
Yeah, it's billet, all billet. Yeah, I had to go fancy on some of this stuff, you know.
Sure, man.
Yeah.
I like your sports here for that torsional rigidity, right?
Exactly. Whatever. Yeah.
Man.
So, anyways, it's been, as we're at the paint here. This is a House of Colors True Blue Pearl.
Right here?
And this, yeah, this.
Oh,
is
look
True
at
Blue
that.
Pearl.
It's so
And when
pretty.
the sun hits it.
Yeah,
it's pretty,
we'll get back there in a minute.
And the white is a snow white House of Colors pearl. So
That's beautiful.
And as you can see, we did a clear coat over the top of that. You can even feel that.
Yeah.
So it turned out really
what
nice.
about these wheels here? American racing style? Yep.
Yeah, they're just they're standard. You know, you get that Arab car, but the Bear brakes, great brakes, and the SS. Of course, this was an SS model.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah,
That is so cool, dude. This car's sick, man. I like the cowl induction hood.
Yeah,
It's beautiful hood.
I changed the hood. It originally came with the, what would that hood be? I forget what they call it, but it wasn't the induction type hood, but I like the looks of the induction hood.
It makes it look more aggressive,
Oh,
doesn't
it does. It does.
Yeah.
And the 427, I added that on there because, of course, this is a 427 small block ship, which is cool.
Look at this.
Yeah.
This is really,
I
really
mean,
good.
it's just-
How long did it take you to build this car?
Well, I've had it for about 2.5 years now.
Okay.
But so the previous owner started to work on it.
Okay.
And then they gave up. Sold it to a father-son, and the father-son thought they were going to bond a little bit and work on the car.
And they didn't
then the kid just didn't want to do it. So the dad says,
he realized it was a lot of work.
It's a lot of work.
Yeah.
He figured it out.
Yeah.
He figured out it's a lot
Yeah.
of work. It is a lot of work.
Yeah.
So
This is so nice,
Yeah.
man. Can we open this up?
yeah, we can open it up. Hold on a minute.
You're right.
There we go. All right.
Is this suede?
Yeah, it's an Alcantara, and what we did
Oh,
was
and then leather here?
yeah, this is all leather.
Wow.
It all started with these seats. These seats are Sparco SPX seats. I've got $3,500 each, so I got about $7,000 in the seats. I just love the seats. You can see they're carbon fiber in the back, pretty unbelievable. But they've got Italian leather on the outside here. This is all Italian leather,
Right
made
here?
in Italy, and then this is all Alcantara. So what I did was I had my interior guy. I said, build the interior around my seats because I love my seats. And he used stitching, Alcantara. He used everything to just flow with the seats. And if you can see the stitching,
I
the
like
pattern,
that.
you're going to see double stitching. You're going to see what it takes to blend, to actually match the seats.
You know, those seats look really comfortable, and also like they keep you inside the car.
Yeah, they do. Well, that's what they're made for.
I know, they're race seats, aren't they?
Yeah, they are racing seats. They're comfortable, though. They actually are comfortable.
Okay.
And yeah, so I had to have them. I loved them. And then I kind of built the interior around it. So
it's so cool.
It turned out great. It's
this
unique.
Is really neat. I like
and then,
it.
Of course, I kept the horseshoe style shifter because I wanted to keep some of that, you know, classic old style look. And then I put in the 7-inch Alpine screen.
I see that. We'll get to that in a second.
Yeah,
I'm on the other side there.
On the other side.
Look at this.
That has a backup camera, and I got a camera back here, so mounted. So
Man, this
pretty
is
sweet.
so
You
slick.
get back here.
This is just such a pretty car. Let's go ahead and shut the door.
Yeah, just love the blue. Yeah. Okay.
Now, you said House of Colors. What color blue is it?
This is True Blue Pearl. It's called True Blue Pearl.
True Blue Pearl.
Yeah, look it
I know
up.
you mentioned it already. I just forgot.
And this is...
Are those LED lights back there?
No, they're not LED. They're just right next to the LED. Here's my little camera for...
Well, hello.
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Yeah.
So I
That's
do
your
have...
spy cam, isn't it?
Oh, look, you must look at the inside here. We did the inside here. Sorry about
Oh, a
that.
continuation of the Alcantara.
Yeah, exactly.
And leather.
Yeah. Yes.
Wow. And obviously the carpet is all new. And
oh, yeah, it's everything.
this. Oh.
Look at that. And yeah, the guy did a great job. He's
This
out of
is
California.
nice.
The guy that
This is
helped me do
really
the interior.
nice.
And I've got power door locks and I have power windows, so I added those.
Good for you.
Very nice, yeah.
I like the gills.
Yeah. You know,
That's
I
very
thought it
cool.
was a nice touch.
Nice chrome rocker panel down. Oh, it's chrome strip.
Yeah, just the chrome. You know, the standard stuff.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
cool.
go ahead and open it up. A lot of detail in the interior. Turned out great. Yep.
Oh, it did. It smells so luxurious.
Yeah. You can see the backs of these seats right
Oh, man.
there. It's a little dirty. I'm going to wipe those down. Oh, wow. I haven't been poking them up. And you see the back seats. And look at the roof. The Alcantara roof up there. I don't know if you can spot that. The design up there is pretty sweet.
Oh, my word.
Yeah, pretty nice detail.
Gary, this is sick, man.
Power steering. It has a tilt wheel. It has Dakota instruments in there, which are really nice. Love the Dakota touch. And I think I just about got everything I need in there.
I love the steering wheel. It's a race style steering wheel, so it's small.
And I installed air conditioning because in Arizona you need air conditioning.
Yeah, no doubt about
And
that.
that's a big deal. So I'm glad I did that. Pretty sweet.
Wow.
So the rear end, it's a Ride Tech rear end. So
Okay.
and I have coilover suspension.
Okay.
Ride Tech. What's nice is it handles like a race car. So
Does it?
you can actually track this thing.
Really?
So with the steering up front, power steering, and the coilovers in front, coilovers in back, Ride Tech, 12-bolt rear end, posi traction.
It's ready to go.
It's ready, and it has a 4-speed because of that automatic 4L75E built for this engine. And what's nice is I cruise down the road at 70 miles an hour and it's 2,000 RPM.
Who drives 70 miles an hour?
I know.
Come on.
If you want, I'm just giving you an idea. I'm just giving you an idea.
You're funny, man.
I don't know the number at 100.
Yeah, okay, there you go. There you go.
You know,
That's cool.
I only have like 300. I think there's 300 miles on this car right
That's
now.
it?
That's it, man.
Oh, my word.
I
You're
was dialing
selling
it in, and I hate to get rid of it, but it's up for auction. Come Saturday, it'll probably go off at about 6 p.m. It's lot number 281.
Yep.
281.
All right.
And
be here. Bid big. Be here Saturday. Lot number S281. See you then.
thanks.